If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey YouTube, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to unbox the Xiaomi Pocophone. Now, I've been wanting this phone for quite some time, but my previous attempt to buy the Xiaomi Poco F1 phone turned into me getting just a case from an eBay seller. So I went ahead, ordered the phone again, and it's here. This is my first unboxing on this channel, or for that matter any YouTube channel, so I am a bit nervous. If I make any mistakes, you know what to do. Let me go ahead and take the box out of the outer packaging and then I'll be back. Inside the outer plastic bag we have another brown box which is taped up as well. Pretty good packaging, I must say. Let's go ahead and pop open this guy. And we have some bubble wrap, and I see the box for the Xiaomi Pocophone. Let me go ahead and pull this guy out. What do we have? Looks like a US adapter for me because this phone did come from Hong Kong. Yep, we have a cheap US adapter. Something is better than nothing. And we have the Pocophone by Xiaomi. Pretty simple packaging from Xiaomi. Some Pocophone branding on the front in yellow, and on the sides Pocophone F1 and Pocophone F1 on this side as well. Nothing written on the top or the bottom. On the back you have some of the specs which are mentioned over here and what is contained in the box. Let me go ahead and remove the outer plastic film. And now let me go ahead and remove the top of the box. Moment of truth. Oops. Well, we're greeted by the regular manuals and stuff which you have over here. Manuals from Xiaomi, the user guide, a free case. All of this can go to the side. I'm not interested in all of this right now. This in here is the real deal. Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, some of the specs. Let's go ahead and take this guy out of the box. Come along little guy. Let's keep the phone on the side for a moment. What else do we have inside the box? You have a charging brick inside the box, Xiaomi power adapter, and this guy is having an output of 5 volts at 2.5 amperes, 9 volts at 2 amperes, 12 volts at 1.5 amperes. So basically a 18 watt charger I have over here. And I have the USB Type-C cable from Xiaomi and the SIM ejector tool. Let's go ahead, get back to the phone. The most important thing of this video, and this, my friends, is the Xiaomi Pocophone in Rosso red. On the back you have stickers protecting the camera lens, IMEI sticker, some warnings telling you about the SIM and everything in a language which I might not understand, but yes, you do have English over there as well. So it says, please do not insert a non-standard SIM card into the SIM tray. Of course, we won't do that. You have some more stickers over here. Let me go ahead and remove some of these stickers. Alright YouTube, all the stickers have been removed from the Rosso red Pocophone. And have a look at this beauty. Drop dead gorgeous. Let's have a look at the bottom. You have USB Type-C, the speaker grills, the screws to open up the back if you ever have to change the back on this guy. On this side you have the volume rockers and the power button, same Rosso red color, very clicky, very clicky. On top you have the ever so rare headphone jack, noise cancelling mic, and on this side you have the SIM tray. On the back you have Pocophone by Xiaomi, Xiaomi Communications Limited, Xiaomi branding, Pocophone branding, dual camera setup, red accents, and the fingerprint scanner right below the camera and a dual LED flash over here. Damn, this red is hot, 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 hot. Let's go ahead and try to remove this sticker as well. Alrighty. We have the ever so ugly notch looking right at your face. Let me go ahead and turn this guy on and see if we have any battery. Okay, so we do have some battery. Pocophone by Xiaomi. I must say, red is my favorite color, and having a red phone after so many years. My previous red phone I think was the HTC One M9 in red. Lightning fast, MIUI 9. Let me go ahead and click on this guy. Alright YouTube, so I have set up the Pocophone and let me show you something over here. So here, bam, bam. This fingerprint scanner is outright crazy. Here's my essential phone and have a look at this guy. I feel the vibration and there's a lag, right? There. So you see the lag over there? With the Poco F1 Rosso red, my favorite color, bam. This guy is crazy fast. And as for my initial impressions with this guy, well, trust me, I'm impressed. I know it is a plastic body, so of course you don't have that premium metal feel or the glass back feel, but it is what it is. And guess what, this guy is not a fingerprint magnet. So there, I've been playing around for some time with this guy. Here, let me go ahead and tap, but do you see the fingerprints? No, you don't see the fingerprints. It is smudgy, but at least you don't see the fingerprints. So you'll have to clean it less often as compared to a glass back or a metal back. Oh my god, this guy is just outright gorgeous. I mean, the red is actually red. It doesn't have that pinkish shade which most red phones have, or the orangish shade. This guy is drop dead gorgeous. No other words to describe a red smartphone. I think red should become a standard color. That's about it for this video YouTube. I will have more content for the Pocophone on my channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hope you like the unboxing of the Pocophone F1 in Rosso red. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.